Finally, the day has come when my dear friend Amita Mehra, a friend for 16 years, she had settled to a resting mode, also known as superannuation. In these long 16 years of our friendship, I happened to see so many facets of Amita: a caring daughter in law, wife, mother, daughter, sister, and of course, a hardcore friend, a patient listener, a wise advisor, a precious friend, and a cheerful soul. And I love her for that. अ, दो लाइनें बोलूँगी। फ़र्क तो अपनी सोच में है साहिब, वरना दोस्ती भी मोहब्बत से कम नहीं होती. A few years back, when Amita got promoted and went to the excellence school, earlier to Andrews Gun School, a void was there. हम इकट्ठे बैठते थे एग्जामिनेशन रूम में और खाना खाते थे. हमारी पार्टीज़ होती थी. अमिता की आइसक्रीम और कोल्ड ड्रिंक हमेशा याद आती थी. पर दोस्ती में कहीं भी दूर जाने से कमी नहीं आई. एक कनेक्शन बहुत अच्छा सा बन गया था. जिसे कहते हैं ना, मंजिल मिलने से दोस्ती भुलाई नहीं जाती, हमसफ़र मिलने से दोस्ती मिटाई नहीं जाती. दोस्त की कमी हर पल रहती है, मगर दोस्ती दूरियों से छुपाई नहीं जाती. So today is a very good day to have it as a great day. To smile more and worry less, and of all, to be the very best version of yourself from now on. To do more of what makes you happy every day from now on. To be positive and regret nothing. Every day may not be as good, but find some good in every day. Laugh, love, live, and sing. Follow your dreams and believe in yourself. And remember to be awesome, as that's what you already are. Wishing you good health and oceans of happiness, lots and lots of love, and hope to see you more often.
अमिता, हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट डे. बहुत अच्छा दिन है ये तुम्हारा, जिसकी तुम इतने दिनों से प्रतीक्षा कर रही थी ना. बहुत ही अच्छा और प्यारा दिन. भगवान तुम्हें सारी खुशियाँ दे और तुम्हारी सारी विशेष फुलफिल हो, और हमें भी तुम याद करती रहो साथ साथ. हमने बहुत अच्छे दिन गुजारे अमिता. लास्ट 30 ईयर्स से आप मेरे साथ हो. बहुत अच्छे खट्टे मीठे अनुभव आपके साथ शेयर करें, और सबसे अच्छी पास फ्रेंड अमिता मेरी. सारे सुख दुख में हम इकट्ठे बैठे, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह शेयर करा सारी लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स, खुशियाँ सब. ना हम तुम्हें कभी भूलेंगे, कभी भी नहीं. हैप्पी रिटायरमेंट डे. विश यू वेरी हेल्दी वेल्दी लाइफ.
Hello Amita, first of all congratulations, as tomorrow will be your last working day from this hectic job. After that I think you will feel more relaxed now. जहाँ तक अमिता के बारे में सवाल है, मैं इतना ही कहूँगी, अमिता, यू वर, यू आर एंड यू विल ऑलवेज बी माई ट्रू फ्रेंड, गाइड एंड कंपेनियन. Whenever I was in need, I was disturbed, you were always there for me as a good friend. एंड में बस इतना ही बोलूँगी, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ, कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बिठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे खाक से उठा के यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा फसाना। थैंक यू, बाय।
Hello everyone. As far as Amita ma'am is concerned, I know her as a person. I know her very well as a teacher. She has been my colleague. She has been more than a colleague to me. First I'll talk about her professional and then of course the personal qualities. When it comes to profession, she is just apt, so skillful in her work that even if few lines have been assigned to her and that comes out to be such a beautiful song in just few minutes, she just have to ponder over those lines, edit them and compose a beautiful song out of that. I remember working with her for the consumer song and the Corona song. We were also happily working on that, and under the leadership of ma'am, a beautiful song has emerged. And it is not just one instance. There are umpteenth number of instances like this. So many events, whether it's an Independence Day, whether it's an annual function. And this is the beauty of her professionalism. And another beauty as a person I know about her, she is such a humble, sober person and a nature lover. And whenever we used to meet together, we used to talk about spirituality, divinity unfolding, discuss about the nature and sometimes personal problems which she caters to so well that she solves my current problem, whatever we are discussing. So I hope the journey for spirituality continues even after the retirement, which will of course continue in any way, because this professional part is getting over, but personal internal growth is continuing, which will continue forever. And I just would like to say a few lines for Amita ma'am. मिले हैं हम जब कभी, दास्तां दिलों की सुनाते हैं एक दूजे को तभी। मिले हैं हम जब कभी, दास्तां दिलों की सुनाते हैं हम तभी। साथ बैठेंगे फिर भी मुकम्मल हो जाएंगे वो लम्हे तभी। Thank you and have a nice day. Amita ma'am, as you are aware that we share a special bond with each other. For this bond of friendship, I would like to say a few lines which I have written for you, especially for you, for our friendship. This goes like this. इन मुलाकातों का ये सिलसिला यूं ही चलता रहे, इन मुलाकातों का ये सिलसिला यूं ही चलता रहे, इस ख्वाहिश का दरिया यूं ही बहता रहे, इस ख्वाहिश का दरिया यूं बहता रहे, हमारी दोस्ती के चिराग यूं ही रोशन रहें, हमारी दोस्ती के चिराग यूं ही रोशन रहें, आपसे मिलने की तमन्ना का सबब हमेशा बनता रहे, आपसे मिलने की तमन्ना का सबब हमेशा बनता रहे. Congratulations to Amita ma'am and wish you a very happy retirement, a very very happy and healthy retirement and life ahead. Thank you.
तुमको खुशियाँ मिलें जिंदगी में सदा, तुमको खुशियाँ मिलें जिंदगी में सदा, है यही कामना, है यही कामना, तुमको खुशियाँ मिलें जिंदगी में सदा, यूं ही हंसते रहो, यूं ही हंसते रहो, गुनगुनाते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो जिंदगी में सदा मुस्कुराते रहो गम ना आए कोई गम ना आए कोई गम ना आए कोई जिंदगी में कभी है यही कामना बस यही कामना तुमको खुशियाँ मिले जिंदगी
There are heroes who walk among us, never looking for glory or praise. They don't seek recognition for their thoughtful, caring ways. Living lives of deep commitment, providing for those they hold dear, standing straight with a quiet strength through times of laughter and tears. You are a person like that to me, the most selfless person by far. So, Amita Rani, I would like to thank you for being the hero that you are.
Really feeling happy and you really want to show it, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations.
Many congratulations to dear Amita ma'am.
Yes, you are starting a new journey.
Heartiest congratulations to Amita ma'am and best of the
Luck.
wishes for the new innings.
Enjoy the new beginning.
Have fun today. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Congratulations, ma'am. Bye bye.